Hi guys, my name is Omer and you're watching Omer's workshop. Today we are going to connect Wi-Fi smart switch which can be turned on and off by the help of Android application. So here is the box and here is the manual. It can also be work with the Apple and Android both. So this is the manual which is everything is written how to do the wiring and everything. So we are going to follow this diagram and everything is mentioned over here. Also the application is here, so we have to do the wiring. To simplify the wiring, I have make the wiring of plug and two wires, and I have marked the live wiring 220 and the black one is neutral and ground. So we have to be sure that we are connecting live to live and ground to ground. Over here we have L in and N in, load in and neutral in. So we have to place this wiring into over here on 2 and 3 from the left. Now we have to connect any load which we want to run. For example, I'm using LED. You can use any device which is up to 10 amperes to 20 volts. But for the LED we have to use under 150 watt. So we have to place the wiring, red one, in the first position over here, L out and N out. It is 1 and 4. So here is the wiring we have done to the 220 in this one and 220 out from this one. So they are parallel to each other, so it is easy to understand. There is another option where we can press this button manually to turn on and off like this. But if we want a manual button out like in a distance, we can place any rocker switch like this one and directly connect it to the last two sockets, and there is no need to be worried about the poles, load or ground. We can connect it into the last two sockets. It is also to mention this video is for only educational purposes, so you don't have to try it by yourself, because there is also mentioned in the manual that you have to get help from the professional electrician for help and installing. So for the consideration, this wire which I have connected by the plug will be from the main switch to over here, and then it will output any load which you want, and this button can be turned on and off in a distance. I'm turning it on and I'm using this extension board, so I have to make sure which port is load and which one is neutral, so we can place the correct wire into live. So this one is live one. I'm gonna mark it and turn off the switch and then connect it. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on. It just started without any sound, and I have manually turned and on off by the help of this manual switch, and I am going to try it turn on of this. It is also working, but on the manual it is written that it have to make a beep sound when turn on, DDD sound, and it turns on. Now I'm going to uh, search this smart life on my Android mobile, and then we see what we have. Before connecting the device, we have to put up this in a pairing mode, and for that in manual it is written we have to press the on off button 3 times and it will start blinking blue light, or we can press this rocker button 10 times and it will go into the pairing mode. Now it is blinking blue light. Now it is ready for pairing up with the application. Or alternatively, we can take out the load, and then from the rocker switch we have to press 10 times and it will start blinking. When I search smart life, I have first one over here. I'm gonna download it. This is the interface of the application. I'm gonna try as guest. On the home page we have to press plus button and add device. It will ask for Bluetooth. We have to turn it on and it will show Wi-Fi breaker. It is showing a blue blinking light. It will show Wi-Fi breaker and it will ask for the Wi-Fi information. We have to input the password and then next, and it will start adding device. It will show green tick on the device and then we have to press the done button. Now it is the switch over here, so if we press the switch button it will turn on by our device, and we have a lot of settings for this. We can press timer on which day and time it should be on and off, and there are settings which we can change by ourselves. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.